Last time on Robbie Sucks, the team worked diligently to fix the Duramax. They had acquired a new fuel filter, hoping it would be the savior part. But after tireless installation, it was not. Will the team fix the Duramax? Has Robbie been to prom? All these questions answered on today's episode of...
Alright, suckers, welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. So last time, as you just saw, we kind of hit a snag. Thought we had a good fix on the Duramax, but we didn't. But we downloaded the code. I got a P101. Anyway, it ended up being something about my fuel pressure sensor. So, I got one. And it was... it was not cheap. This is $150 at O'Reilly's. Not a sponsor. Everywhere else it was like $300 for a sensor, a little tiny thing. Whatever, check it out.
Alright guys, so everything on the interwebs that I've found or seen, and I've done maybe about, 3.14 minutes of research, strike, has said that it's underneath here somewhere on the back of my 6.6 liter Duramax. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this off, but I've got help! I got Ethan, and always I've got Martin. So, we're going to get this off, and when we get it off, we'll see if it's underneath there. See anything back there? Everyone's telling me it's behind up here on the back side. Over here somewhere. I can't see crap. Alright, suckers, so if you can look right where that light is shining brightest, that is where my sensor is. How do I get to that?
Sawzall. Sawzall.
Sounds terrifying. So this is kind of being a pain. I think we've been trying to get this plug out or the sensor out for, I don't know, like an hour now. And it's just such in a tight spot. It's like, I want to say it's a 1 inch. And it's going to be hard to get in there. It's such a tight spot. What to do. Don't give up. Don't give up. All right. Well, so
is
after
this Sunday?
I don't know.
Because Sundays are the days that always get screwed up.
I know.
Nothing turns out right.
Nothing's.
Anyways, go ahead. Sorry for interrupting.
You're fine. So, after some research, we have learned that it takes a specialty tool to get that sensor out. And so, to prevent us from breaking said sensor or the clip that goes onto it for the plug, we're going to go ahead and put that wrench on order. There's a picture of it. It looks like right there. Yeah. That's what it looks like. Right there. That'll be it. But
what a day.
I'm so mad. I'm so upset.
Hey, happy Veterans Day, by the way.
Oh, yeah, happy Veterans Day. It's, if you're a veteran, thanks for serving the country, and if you're still in, keep doing what you're doing.
That's right, rock on.
Yeah, look, it's okay to suck. We're not giving up on this one. We're going to figure it out. We're going to get it done. It's just going to be a little bit longer than I'd like to. So congratulations, guys. We get a part 3.
Yeah.
Oh, like, subscribe. Keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. As always, I love you. Hit up RobbieSucksStore.com to pick up that sweet Robbie swag. And we'll see you next time. Peace.
Peace.